Welcome back. Today, we're checking out the YouTube Translator and Auto Dubber template, the perfect tool for YouTubers to translate their posts. The only input needed is a simple YouTube link. After that, the agent visits the target video page and expands the description. Using a scroll node, it locates the transcript section, opens the transcript pop-up, and extracts all the useful data, including the description, title, reviews, and the full transcript. Here is the video for our test. We primarily need the transcript, but for a better user experience, we extract the rest of the metadata as well. This gives the AI more information to work with during the dubbing process. Now for the n8n workflow. You'll see plenty of notes to guide you through. It begins with a Telegram trigger, where an agent identifies and extracts the YouTube link. After notifying the user that the process has started, we trigger Browser Act. We've manually added the parameters inside the node to ensure it navigates to the right video and gathers the data correctly. Next, we define the target language. We do it this way because not all languages are currently available for high-quality voiceovers. Then, we send everything to another AI agent. This agent's job is to read the transcript and generate the translated version exactly as it is. If needed, it will even generate an array for the content. We then send a summary to Telegram, split the translated content, and move it into a loop. Inside that loop, we generate the audio using ElevenLabs, where you can easily change the voices and models. Finally, we send the audio file to the Telegram bot using the user's chat ID and move on to the next part. This is the final result. One link sent, and we received the summary and the AI-dubbed audio instantly. A true one-click solution for YouTube translation. Thanks for watching.
¿Cómo crear una historia animada con personajes consistentes usando Grok AI y Nano Banana Pro? Intentando con todas sus fuerzas hacer un pastel de la manera perfecta. Ella entra sonriendo, roba una lamida de la cuchara. Ahora los dos chefs desordenados